Hey folks, back here in Vermont. It's another beautiful sunny day. It's 37 degrees with a temperature feels like of 29, and we've got like a 15-20 mile an hour wind at the least. So pardon any noise we may pick up from the wind. It's not always ideal conditions when you want to film. With that being said, what I want to do today is show you a little bit of my EDC fire kit. Okay, what we have here is the pouch that I keep my everyday carry fire kit in. This is actually a homemade pouch that I had done. I'm doing some amateur leather craft, and by amateur I mean amateur. But it gets the job done, and this one is probably about, this pouch here is probably about 2.5, 3 years old, I would say. So it's holding up nice, and I wear it every day, every single day. Here we have our Altoid tin can. It contains all the contents of my fire kit. We're going to open it up and take a peek on what's inside. First off, we've got a typical Bic style lighter here. Very important. That should be your main source of ignition when out in the field. One of my favorite things, and it's well used, is this ferro rod. I absolutely love these things, and I don't go anywhere without one of these. Along with the fire rod, I also have a part of a hacksaw blade I use to scrape the ferro rod to start sparks. In the kit I also carry I think it's a P38. It's a can opener, but I also use it for scraping the ferro rod if need be. Then we're moving on to, I've got a piece of old inner tube from a bicycle tire tube. Kind of like they call them Ranger bands or whatever, but this stuff also burns. Here I have like a, I don't know what it is, a 3/16 wide ferro rod. Just a small, this is for absolute emergencies. Here I have some dryer lint, just plain old dryer lint, straight from the dryer. It takes a spark real easy. Inside this bag, if I can get it out one-handed here, we have cotton balls and Vaseline. And these burn quite a while. You don't need much to get a fire going on these. Here I have just a little piece of wax paper, and underneath here and wrapped in a plastic bag, I have a birthday candle. These are all great things to use to get a fire going. Obviously you would want your fire lay all set up, and you know, like kindling wood and things like that, and just have everything ready to go once you get that flame going. Alright folks, that pretty much concludes everything that's in my fire kit. I hope you enjoyed. Take care.